Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Brother ADS-4300N document scanner step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the scanner box carefully and remove all components. Inside the box, you should find Brother ADS-4300N scanner, automatic document feeder or ADF, AC power adapter, USB interface cable, quick setup guide, and safety guide. Remove all protective tapes and plastic film from the scanner. Also, open the front cover and roller cover and remove any packaging material inside. Keep the original packaging in case you need to transport the scanner in the future. Step 2. Now, let's prepare the scanner for use. First, attach the automatic document feeder, also called the ADF. Carefully place it on the scanner and push it firmly until it locks into place. Next, connect the AC power adapter to the scanner. Then, plug the adapter into a power outlet. After that, extend the paper trays on the scanner so they can hold documents during scanning. Your scanner is now ready for physical use. Step 3. Before continuing the setup, place the scanner in a safe location. Make sure the scanner is placed on a flat and stable surface, away from water and moisture, away from direct sunlight, away from heat sources like heaters or radiators. Also, make sure the cables are arranged properly to prevent tripping hazards. A proper setup location helps ensure safe and stable operation. Step 4. Now we will connect the scanner to your computer. Open your web browser and visit setup.brother.com. Download the Brother scanner driver and software for your operating system. Install the software and follow the instructions on the screen. During installation, connect the scanner to your computer using the USB cable if prompted. After installation is complete, restart your computer. Your computer should now detect the scanner automatically. Step 5. Your Brother ADS-4300N scanner can also work as a network scanner. To do this, connect an Ethernet LAN cable from the scanner to your router or network switch. Once connected, your scanner will be accessible on the network. You can then scan documents from multiple computers connected to the same network. Step 6. Now, let's try your first scan. Open the Brother scanning software on your computer. Prepare your documents. Before loading them, fan the pages, align the edges, then place the documents into the automatic document feeder. Press Scan from the software and the scanner will begin scanning your documents. Your scanned files will be saved to your computer. Step 7. Your scanner has LED indicators that show its current status. Here's what they mean. Solid light. The scanner is ready to use. Slow blinking light. The scanner is in sleep mode. Blinking light with a warning. This may indicate an error such as document jam, paper pickup error, front cover open, multi-feed detection error, or maintenance notification. If you see an error light, check the scanner and resolve the issue. Step 8. Important safety tips. To keep your scanner working properly, follow these tips. Use only the original power adapter. Do not place heavy objects on the scanner. Do not expose the scanner to dust or moisture. Do not use alcohol, ammonia, or flammable sprays for cleaning. And always unplug the device before cleaning or maintenance. These precautions will help extend the life of your scanner. That's it. Your Brother ADS-4300N scanner setup is now complete. You are ready to scan documents quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. If you have any questions or need help with setup, driver installation, or troubleshooting, to contact our support team. Our team is always ready to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.